Want to know the secret to making sales in affiliate marketing? It's all about choosing the right product. Let's break it down. Pick a profitable niche. First, pick a niche that people are already spending money on, like health, tech, finance, or lifestyle. Focus on areas where people are constantly searching for solutions. Look for high demand. Choose products with proven demand. If people are already buying them, your chances of earning commissions are much higher. Check commission rates. Not all programs pay all the same. Amazon pays lower commission, while platforms like ClickBank offer up to 50%. Balance between demand and payout. Promote products you trust. Always promote products you believe in. If you have used it or know it works, your audience will trust your recommendation more. In the next episode, I will show you the top affiliate platforms where you can start today. Stay tuned.